guys, today we're going to be unboxing another vacuum cleaner which I brought from a collector. Now I don't think he's on YouTube, this collector, but some of you may know him. His name is Stephen Charman. So we'll just unbox this. It cost me 30 quid and it's a machine I've been looking for quite a while, and I believe it's a 1970s one, so it's not the cheapy plasticky new ones. I'm tuning cost for it as well, so excuse me for that. So it's got bags, proper original ones. Oh, it's got a floor tool, that's good. It's got 2 original bags. You can probably see what it is already. That's good. It's got a floor tool with it. Some all crappy swivel thing that needs a good refurb. Floor tool. Okay. We've got a radiator brush, which is very nice. We've got another floor tool. We've got 2 floor tools, exactly the same. And then we've got the hose, which is quite an old one. It's an old material hose, this one is, and it's got a weird bend on it. Got a bit of rust on it, but we can clean that up, can't we? With a bit of metal polish. We've got a crevice tool with a bit of a crack in it. That's fine. Got the extension ones here. So these should be 2 metal extension ones. Lovely, with the grey inserts on the top. Look like old pneumatic ones, they do. Very rusty, but they should be cleaning up. Should clean up fine after soak and the polish. So they should clean up very nice. Any more? Yep, we've got a dusting brush. Very soft. That is very nice. Any scare tools? I don't know. I've only ever seen one other one of these vacuums in my life. Oh yeah, there's a stair tool. So we've got a complete nilfisk. I'm not sure if the tools are original, but we've got a complete nilfisk. I just gave it away what it was. Here it is. Here is the actual machine itself. These go for a lot of money on eBay. These do. These go for a good. And I found another very good crevice tool with holes in it. For the radiator brush. And let's just check. There's nothing else lurking in the box, which here isn't, which is good. So just put all this back in the box. And we'll take a look at the machine. It's a very German machine, this is. Look at that, that is really nice. So here's the machine. So there's the cable. It did say it needs a new cable on it. Yeah. That's a shame. Yeah, I need to put a new cable on it, but for now I'm just going to put a plug on the end of that. Switch on the side and variable speed on the back. The wheels are a little bit cracked, and there's a bit of dust on the floor, which has probably come out from the inside there. Let's undo the top, and has been used bagless, which is a shame. It's got a load of rubbish inside. It smells very old and musty. So there's the filter system. Here's the motor unit. Here. There's the top cover. I believe you use this part for blowing. I believe the hose goes in there. How does this go back on? Just slot back on there like that. That's it. It goes on there. Phone going off. So, yeah. It's a very, very nice vacuum cleaner, this. So it's complete with all its tools as well, which is nice. It's got 2 floor tools, so yeah, exactly the same floor tools these are. So it's got 2 wands on it. Yeah. So what we'll do is I'm going to put a plug on this. I want to see if I can open this up. See if I can. Ow, the tape's kind of gone hard. See if I can open this up. Put a new cable on it, which I think you can. Yes, you can. See if I can stick a new cable on it. I've got a shit ton of cables there. Because I can't really use it, but the cable about 2 centimetres long. I thought it was a longer cable on it, to be fair. Looks like someone's actually cut this up before. So I may need to get a new cable for it, which is a bummer. But you can't have everything. He did say it needed a new cable. So let's try and roll this back. So it's got screw. Is there screws? No. It's a sealed unit. That's a bummer. That is a bummer. So it looks like it will be needing a new cable. So what we'll do is we'll quickly just clean it inside of this out with the work vacuum, which is up there, which is a pneumatic. I'll just get it down for you. For those that haven't seen it, here it is. And this is actually really small compared to a Henry. So we'll just quickly clean the inside of this nilfisk out. Then we'll put a plug on it, and then we'll be seeing if it was works. Because I'm not so sure if it's working. So put this cable in here. That's it. Right. So what we need to do now is just need to undo the lid on the nilfisk. Filter's massive, but it's just full of crap. So right, just take the top motor unit off. That's it. There we go. So I won't film cleaning this out because it'll be boring for you lot. So I'll be back when I've cleaned this out. Right, shall we test this little beaut, shall we? So, the unfortunate thing is about the hose connection. I'm not too sure if that's meant to come out or not. I know it's supposed to have a square bit. I'm not sure about this bit in there. Because the hose just plugs straight in. I'm not too sure about that. I know it's meant to be like a ball joint. So, but anyway, let's just quickly plug this in and we test it. I've got a plug on it. So, let's see if it will work. Right, so the switch must be in the wrong position. Flick it this way. So, here we go, ready? That is bloody quiet. Let's turn it on that switch. Let's see. Jesus Christ, that is very, very quiet. That is really, really quiet. I want to see what the suction's like on it. So, plug it in. Let's turn it on quick. It's got pretty good suction on it for how many watts? I think it's only about 500 watts. This. Oh, we've got a date on here. 1958. I don't think it's that old. I think it's 70s. I'm not too sure though. Someone can correct me. So it's got the wands. Okay. It's got 2 floor tools on it. So. You know. Right, so put this over here. price. Various tools deformed. That works really well. I'm really surprised at how quiet it is. It is really quiet. And that's what I like about vintage vacuum cleaners. They are really quiet machines, but they're quite powerful at the same time. Right, let me just check the wattage of this. Alright, so, made in Denmark. BS 3028 1958. So it might be 1958. I'm not too sure. It's a 350 to 500 watt machine. I'm not too sure if that 2-speed switch is working, you know. I'm not too sure because it might not have nothing in there. It might have been bypassed or something. Might have stopped working, which is a bit unfortunate, but it should be fine. So yeah, there we go. There is my new nilfisk what's it, ga70 vacuum cleaner, complete with all the accessories, I think, that are original to the machine, including the original hose, which doesn't stay in the bloody thing properly, which you might have to glue back in. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe if you've enjoyed, and bye for now.